Dawn's new Ultra Power Wash Dish Spray. Percy likes it. All right, so this is a very unflattering image of the sink. And if you know anything about this channel, it's a departure from things that I normally review. Typically, I'll review shaving, men's grooming products, cars, maybe coffee, or food. But I saw a product recently that really sparked my curiosity, that really got me excited.
Dawn's new Ultra Power Wash Dish Spray.
That's the power of marketing. You can make something as boring as dish detergent excite a guy like me. I'm a sucker for marketing. Percy likes it. So what's interesting about this, guys? It has this spray nozzle. You all know that Dawn does the best job removing grease and oil. In fact, Dawn is used when they have oil spills to remove oil from animals that are caught up in oil spills. So we know Dawn is the best, right? What makes this important and what makes this is really cool is that it helps to eliminate waste. And I think it's just got the cool factor, guys. So without beating a dead horse, let's check it out. I've got some dishes here that need to be washed. Little spray, sort of like a detail, right? Like a detail wash. And I don't need all this spray, but I just like, it's so cool. I just like doing it. It makes dishes fun again, guys. Look at that. And go to town. Boom. And you're ready to rock and roll. The same effective detergent you're used to. One little spray for each thing that you want to clean. And it works great, guys. Just a quick review. Again, something that I wouldn't typically do. I want to thank you guys for watching. Get out. Please the person that does the dishes in your house and go get them the new Dawn Platinum Power Wash. They will love you. I'll see you guys next time, which will probably be tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play, and I'm going to have my cup of coffee and get back to work today.